welcome to Tradespeople's Tips. Today we have a door. It could be any door, isn't it? Right? When you pull the door closed, it's hitting, and there's a gap there. Now, first thing I did was lift the door. Lift the door, and it closes. Lift, and it closes. Next thing I've done, check the hinges. Right? If I lift the door, can I do it while it's like that? Let me see. No. So I'm gonna do, get my screwdriver. I'll just tighten the hinges. Alright, pull that one a little bit. Let's try again, see what happens. Problem solved. Alright, so what I'll do, get on my right hand. As you can see, all the screws come loose. Tighten them. And while you're at it, might as well check the bottom. The top was the same as this, covered in paint. Just use the screwdriver, leave the paint out, tighten it up, just to make sure. And try your door again. Voila, problem solved. Okay, that's another tip from Tradespeople's Tips. So till next time, for all you out there robbing people, stop doing it, yeah? For all you out there robbing people, stop doing it from Tradespeople's Tips. Good luck with what you do, your little ventures, and I hope this helped. See you later.